Everyone, I am Amjad Khan, Faculty of Hotel Management at Rajpura Sarkari University. Today we are going to talk about in this video is types of rooms in hotels. The first category of room is single bedroom, a room assigned to a one person, may one or more beds. The room size or area of single rooms are generally between 37 meters squares to 45 meters squares. The second category is double bedroom. A room assigned to two people may have one or more beds. The room size or area of double rooms are generally between 40 meters square to 45 meters square. The third category of room is queen room. A room with queen size bed may be occupied by one or more people. The room size or area of queen room are generally between 32 meters square to 50 meters square. King room. A room with a king size bed may be occupied by one or more people. The room size or area of king rooms are generally between 32 meters square to 50 meters square. Twin room. This room is occupied by two people with two twin beds or more people. The room size or area of twin rooms are generally between 32 meters square to 40 meters square. Hollywood twin room. A room that can accommodate two people with two twin beds joined together by a common headboard. Most of the budget hotels tend to provide many of these room settings with caterboard both couples and parties in two. The room size or area of Hollywood twin rooms are generally between 32 meters square to 40 meters square. Suite room or executive room. A parlor or living room connected with two or one more bedrooms. A room with one or more bedrooms are separate living space. The room size area of suite rooms are generally between 70 meters square to 100 meters square. Presidential suite room. The most expensive, more provided by a hotel. Usually one president suite is available in one single hotel property. Similar to the normal suites, a presidential suites always have one or more bedrooms and a living space with a strong emphasis on grand in room decoration, high quality amenities and supplies, and tailor-made service. Example, personal butler during the stay. The room size or area of presidential suites are generally between 80 meters square to 350 meters square. Connecting room. Rooms with individual entrance doors from the outside and a connecting door between. Guests can move between rooms without going through the hallway. The room size or area of connecting rooms are generally between 30 meters square to 50 meters square. Villa. A special form of accommodation which can be found in some resort hotels. It is a kind of stand-alone house which gives extra privacy and space to hotel guests. A fully occupied villa contains not only bedrooms and a living room but a private swimming pool, jacuzzi, and balcony. It is suitable for couples, families, and large groups. The room size of area of villas are generally between 100 meters square to 150 meters square. Disabled room. This this room type is mainly designed for disabled guests and it is required by law that hotel must provide a certain number of accessible rooms to avoid discrimination. The room size or area of accessible rooms types are generally between 30 meters square to 42 meters square. Cabana room. This type of room is always adjoining to the swimming pool or have a private pool attached to the room. The room size or area of cabana room types are generally between 30 meters square to 45 meters square. Adjoining room. Rooms with a common wall but no connecting door. The room size or area of adjoining room types are generally between 30 meters square to 45 meters square. Adjacent room. Rooms close to each other such as across the hall. The room size of area adjacent room types generally between 30 meters square to 45 meters square. Executive floored room. A room located on the executive floor which enables convenient access to the executive lounge. Besides, some hotels also provide female executive floors with their room assigned to the female guests only due to safety and security reasons. The room size of area of executive floor are generally between 32 meter square to 50 meter square. Smoking and non-smoking room. Many hotels provide both smoking and non-smoking rooms for their guests in order to maximum the effect of second-hand smoking exposure on non-smoking guests. The room size or area of smoking and non-smoking room is generally between 30 meter square to 250 meter square. Thank you.